In this tutorial, I will design login page with CSS. This is how this page looks without CSS. So let's start designing with CSS. First of all, I will design body section. In body section, I will set background color to one of the shades of white color. Then I will change font to Arial and sans serif. After body section, I will design form. I will set background color to white. Padding will be 20 pixel. I will set the width to 300 pixel. Margin will be 50 pixel. And border radius is 5 pixel. At the end I will specify box shadow. Now I will align the text of heading to center using element H2. And top margin is 0. Now I'll move to label, display block. I'll set font size to 14 pixel. Font weight hold. Bottom margin will be 10 pixel. And after label, I will design input fields. Width of fields will be 100%. Padding will be 10 pixel. And margin, bottom margin is 20 pixel. I will set border radius to 5 pixel. Border type will be none. And I will specify the box shadow. At the end, font size of fields will be 16 pixels. And the last element that we will design is button. I will set background color to light green. Color will be white. Padding will be 10 and 20 pixel. Border type is none. Border radius is 5 pixel. I will set font size to 16 pixel. Cursor will be pointer. Also change button hover color to little darker shade. Let's check how it looks on front end. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.